What's up, everybody? Today, there's another fire alarm system test. This time, as you read the title, it is all outside. So, take a look at this. Actually, hold on. So, we have this one extension cord right here. And that goes around underneath the chairs, through the pipes, into this main socket or area or whatever, where I have this smart switch, so I can pull it, and that's what I was using to test it. I can turn it on remotely with my phone, with this switch. So then I have it plugged into that, this extension cord, and then 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 the fire alarm board. That rhyme. But yeah, today I got some new wiring. So this will be a bigger system test. I have one fire alarm that I don't have here for some reason, I don't know. But I just heard a little kid scream somewhere that wasn't in my own house. So yeah, while it's going off, I'm gonna walk around and tell you what they are, what the fire alarms are. So this is BG12L. Hold on, I don't know. BG12LX. And what's special about this one is that it's addressable. But if you want to hear what I've been saying, go back to my latest video. That's not this one. So, yeah. So we had the Wheelock RS S strobe, and the wire goes down here to the Wheelock Exceder horn strobe, Wheelock Exceder HSR. You have this new wire that goes to a rip-off Spectral Alert Advance Classic, which was my first one that made noise, but as if you can hear once I disconnect that, like I'm just taking it off the bracket. As you can hear through the wiring, but because the speaker is broken, you could just hear it through it. So listen to this. And you can't even hear it from here. And then there's other tones too. So if you come up, I don't know if I'm gonna get shocked. And as you can see, I took out the thing. So now it continues the same tones. But here's a little piece. It's very, very tiny. So, as you can see, put it in the other one. I put it in a different one and it's not changing the tone. Let me. Last tone. Hold on. Okay, guys, so here's the second tone. This one is way quieter for some reason. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the third tone. All right, here's the third tone. Why is everything turning red? I hate that movie. Dude, it's like turning Disco Party. I'm not even editing it. I'm not doing anything. I was literally just showing you this. Underneath here, everything turns to a disco party once you put a strobe light. There we go. Never mind. Alright, it's not doing it anymore. So, I want you to notice how bright this one is. I'm going backwards, and you can see it still. Like it reflects everywhere. On the camera, you can't see it on the camera very well, but it's still on. And then as we cross the street, you can still see it. And then the knockoff one, you can barely even see it hit the ground. And it's, oh, that's a pretty good picture. Turn the light down. That's how it really is in real life. Take a picture. Anyway, so yeah. Ooh, I thought that was my dog's poop, but it's dog's ball. But yeah, I can go back and from my perspective as a human, with like, it doesn't show up in real life how it appears in the video. Like, one turn and you can barely even see it. So, yeah, don't get these knockoffs unless you're desperate. But something else I noticed is that when you plug these in at different times, they are different flashing things, whatever. But yeah, that's all for this video. And thank you for watching, and oh my gosh, I can't find my key. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.